In this short video, you'll find out everything you need to know to get your AIO Pod e-cigarette set up and ready to use. So remove the packaging and you'll find one AIO battery, one AIO Pod cartridge, a USB charging cable, a warranty card and a quick start guide. Now this kit is one of the easiest e-cigarettes to set up and use, so you should be up and running in a matter of minutes. First of all, you'll want to fill your pod cartridge up. To do this correctly, you should tilt the pod at a 45-degree angle like so. Then push your e-liquid bottle nozzle into the inlet hole so that the filling valve is depressed. Then squeeze the e-liquid bottle to fill the cartridge, but make sure that the e-liquid level does not reach the bottom of the filling valve. Now if there's any excess e-liquid on the bottom of the cartridge or on the battery, then simply wipe it clean with a dry tissue. Now once you've filled the pod, you should leave it for around 5 minutes before using the device. This is to give the atomizer head time to prime. Then place the pod into the battery and you're ready to go. There are no buttons, so simply draw on the mouthpiece to activate the kit. The kit should already be partly charged and ready to use out the box. When you do need to recharge, do so using the cable provided. You should always use a specific e-cigarette wall plug or plug the cable directly into a USB port on a laptop or computer when charging your kit. Your pod cartridge will need changing from time to time. Now this time will vary depending on different factors, but when you begin to experience a burnt taste, a loss of flavour or a loss of vapour production, this is when you'll need to replace it. So to do this, simply remove the whole pod and dispose of it. Then put a new one in and leave the e-liquid to soak again for 5 minutes before using. So that's all you need to know to get started with the AIO Pod. But if you have any issues or queries, then pop into your local Totally Wicked store, contact our customer service team or leave a comment below.